go on record and say this video was not planned any way whatsoever. It's just the fact that I feel really bad that there's not going to be an upload this month on my YouTube channel. So you guys get to enjoy the last unboxing of 2025. Let's just get right the into it. Hello Internet, how are you doing? My name is Brian, if you're new here, and yes, as you can tell by the title, unboxing the Beats Studio Pros. This is the new model that was released in 2023, I believe. And I am very excited to unbox these headphones. I've been thinking about these headphones for honestly a couple months. Ever since I got my deep blue iPhone 17 Pro Max, I realized that I really want some headphones to match with my iPhone. If that's a really stupid answer, you would be correct. That's a very stupid reason to get headphones, but I'm just gonna say that these are gonna look great together. I have had Beats Studio headphones years ago, and then I got the AirPods Max, and I love the AirPods Max. They're just lightning cable headphones, and I am so sick of charging everything with a lightning cable. Let's just get this open. So there's actually a little pull tab. Oh, that was a really nice sound. And then there's paper, so we're just gonna remove the paper. Oh wow, this is very interesting packaging. Look at this. This looks very aesthetically pleasing. Look at that. Wow. Okay, cute. So here is the headphone box. So I guess we're just gonna kind of like lift this up, I guess. I'm going to lift it up. And then here are the headphones. And then we have some paperwork. So we got some warnings, information, how they're gonna steal your data or whatever. We have now get Apple Music for, I guess, free with your AirPods or your... And oh my goodness, this is awesome. It comes with some Beats freaking stickers. Look at that. That is so cute. I forgot about the Beats stickers. Thank God these come with stickers because the iPhones don't come with stickers anymore. So now I can have a Beats sticker. And then here's just kind of like a user guide. So it just kind of tells you how you can like change songs and like noise canceling. And that's pretty much all that's in the box. So here's the headphone. I love the fact that this does come with a carrying case. The AirPods Max don't come with a carrying case. So we're going to now open this up. And here they are. Ooh, okay. Oh, wow. These are darker than I expected. I am shocked at how dark these are. Look at that. I thought these were going to be a little bit lighter, to be honest. That is sick how it has a lighter shade in it. So here's how they look. And here they are. And wow, okay, look at these. So we're going to give you kind of a little bit of a tour of them. So here they are. Very cute. And yes, I did cut my finger. Don't worry about it, please. Just don't worry about it. They feel really good. I feel like they feel a lot better than the old Beats. I feel like they've definitely improved a lot. 3.5mm cable, just a cable where you can plug your headphones directly into like a computer or whatever. A USB-C cable. So here is the USB-C cable. USB-C cable, it's actually pretty nice. So this is not a braided cable, but I mean, this does look like a nice cable. And by the way, you can actually plug this directly into your iPhone and get lossless audio, which is really cool. And then that's what's in the box. And I was definitely not expecting them to be this dark. They still kind of look good with the iPhone. Like, oh yeah, I am very pleased with this. Look at this. Look at them together. They're like an iconic duo, and I'm very happy that I got blue headphones to match my blue iPhone. Okay, this is sick. Now we're going to set these bad boys up. So I think all I have to do is I have to turn these on. So there's a power button right here. So we're just going to turn on the headphones. So they're on, and then we're going to put my iPhone right next to them, and we're going to see, yep, there it is, Beats Studio Pros. So we are going to then hit select it. Oh my God, look at the color matches the headphones. I love that attention to detail. So we're going to hit continue, and then it's basically just showing you the media controls that you can use them for. And my Beats Studio Pros are connected. And now it is time to put these bad boys on my head. I think I can keep these with my hat on, but we'll see. So we're kind of, okay, so that's how they adjust. Kind of get like to the biggest setting. So I can put this over my hat. How does it look, guys? How does it look? I cannot really hear myself at all. So I think the noise canceling is actually on. I'm not too sure. Yes, noise cancellation mode is on, and it blocks out a lot of freaking noise. As you can see, noise cancellation is on. Look at them. Look how good these look with the iPhone. They look good. They look good, and that's all that matters. So now we're gonna do a music test. So let's do a music test on these bad boys and see how they sound. Do one of my favorite songs right now. These sound very good. This is one song that we listened to. Let's listen to another song and just test them out. They sound really freaking good. So let's do one more song test. Wow, first off, that noise cancellation is insanely good, but these also just sound so freaking good. They sound crisp, they sound clear, they sound amazing, and again, they just look amazing. Look at this. And again, you can just compactly pack these up and shove them right in the case. You can put these like right in the case and go about your day. So obviously, yeah, I'm very, very pleased with my purchase here. I got these at Target because I also had Target rewards and everything. So I'm very happy to get these headphones. And again, I mean, come on, like you can't go wrong with headphones that match your iPhone. Like these headphones were designed for the Deep Blue iPhone. That right there sells me. But the sound quality it eats so hard. So the last little test I want to do is I want to try out that lossless audio feature directly into your iPhone. Are you wanting to connect a pair of headphones so you can do that? So we're going to hit a pair of headphones and then they're automatically connected. So now I should be able to actually play songs that are lossless. So that lossless audio quality is very good. It's very, very good. It's very similar to Bluetooth, but I mean, that sounds actually pretty freaking sick. So I'm pretty pleased with how these sound. That pretty much is my unboxing of the Beats Studio Pros here. I just wanted to film a little unboxing because I am very, very happy that I got these headphones that match my iPhone so well, and they sound really good. Very similar in sound quality to the AirPods Max. I would think the AirPods Max maybe are a little tiny bit better, but of course the AirPods Max are headphones that cost $150 more than these headphones. These were $169 on sale versus AirPods Max, which on sale usually go for like $450. So these are definitely a much, much more budget-friendly option that don't even sound budget. They're very, very nice headphones. I wouldn't say these are budget headphones literally in the slightest. They sound really freaking good. Thank you guys just so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video next. And you can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are going to be down in the description down below and also right here. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.